the Lion of Namibia.
There is hope for you. When he's by your side, you can make a difference.
A demon bulldozer, a revivalist to the nation.
Receive your deliverance.
Amen. Fight you, I say I will fight you.
You want to fight me?
Yes, I want to fight you.
Let me see your strength. Leave him.
Aone nguvu zake.
He has visited more than 50 states and countries, proclaiming the gospel of good news.
You will be celebrated wherever place you go. May you rise above the regular.
A soul winner, a singing and dancing prophet, anointed for this generation with a heavy flow of apostolic and prophetic mantle.
Receive your healing. Receive your healing. Every Goliath over your life, let their head be cut off. Walk again, strong, again, jump like me. Receive your healing.
Prophet MARTINIEN ELAMENJI, General Overseer of Eternal Life Worship City, Windhoek, Namibia, and across the world.
Every man, every woman, under the sound of my voice, whatever darkness in your life, in your career, in your finances,
The voice of the land.
I command that sickness to disappear. I command that blindness to disappear. I command that setback to disappear.
you are for signs and wonders.
You are born to shine. You are born to succeed. You are born to make a difference.
Populating heaven and depopulating hell.
You shall be what God said you will be. Receive your destiny back. I announce to you,
Yes, sir.
a new season.
A great philanthropist serving God and blessing humanity.
Holy Spirit, I am available. I am available.
Prophet MARTINIEN ELAMENJI.
I decree the time have come. Receive that good news.
Amen.
Let your career receive that good news.
I receive.
Prophet MARTINIEN ELAMENJI, General Overseer of Eternal Life Worship City, in Windhoek, Namibia, and across the world.